our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted YouTube videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover your deleted YouTube videos, then recovering your deleted YouTube videos basically depends on whether you are a creator or a viewer. So creators can check their YouTube studio trash within the 30 days period of deletion. If it's not there, you must use a local backup like Wayback Machine or request recovery from YouTube support using the video URL. However, once the video is permanently deleted from every platform, recovery is generally not possible. So, this way, you can simply try to recover deleted YouTube videos before they get permanently deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.